Hey y'all, it's Hannah. So today's video is going to be another ZGallerie inspired video. While me and Sharon was chilling and shopping in ZGallerie, I was getting inspired like I do when I go to most home stores like that. Like if it's Pier 1, if it's Ross, anywhere, wherever I go and I see home decor, I'm not just looking to buy, but I'm also looking to see what I can DIY because I am a crafter at heart and this is what I do. So when we was in there, there were so many wonderful pieces there that I was just like, oh my gosh, I can DIY that. I've got to DIY that and share it with my family members here on YouTube. So those of you who may want to DIY instead of buying it and save a coin, that you will have some type of inspiration to go by or some type of tutorial that will help you do that. Okay, so I'm your girl for that, and I'm going to share with you how I created some beautiful, absolutely gorgeous mini, because it's going to be the smallest, always on a smaller scale. This is going to be on a smaller scale using Dollar Tree items. I'm going to create the look of that Bella vase that I fell in love with, that Sharon fell in love with and took home with her. I am going to recreate some candle holders with that type of look, and I hope you guys like it. I absolutely love it. I'm so excited about this DIY. All right, y'all, so we're going to start off with putting some of our Mod Podge in one of these clear bowls. But anyway, pour the Mod Podge in. And I was originally mixing the glitter in here like I did the last video, but it's not giving me that pop of glitter bling like I want. So I just forgo all that, and I don't want to waste. I'm going to just wipe it on here and then pour the glitter just like I did on that last vase video that you guys have seen. I'm going to start with this one, and as you can see, I'm just dabbing my Mod Podge in my bowl, and I am coating this candle holder, just the outside. Okay, and you want to make sure it's not too thick, but it's thick enough where it can grab that glitter, or that glitter have something to grab onto. And now, simple as this is what we're gonna do. Let me show you. It's real simple. I use this bowl for my fallout to catch any glitter fallout, and we're just going to, like last time, I'm just going to coat it. And I have to turn it upside down. Get the rest of it. I get a kick out of that, showing people the things that I actually created by hand myself. I love handmade items. It's something about something handmade. There's a lot of time and love that go into the piece. I know everyone don't have the time or patience to craft. But for those who do, I know you know what I'm talking about. It is just something about crafting, I just love it. I mean, even before YouTube, I was a crafter. I came on YouTube to do vlogs, y'all, but I end up vlogs just wasn't really working for me for whatever reason, just wasn't. But I would just share my crafts, and it just took off, you know. And I love it. It's not work to me because I love crafting. This is life right here. I love it. Absolutely love it. So anyway, let me put that on there. Y'all, so me and Sharon are trying to really get together and get this meet and greet going, y'all. So y'all let us know now. And I've already got a lot of emails and comments from some of you wonderful people out there who are interested in participating in this meet and greet. And that's great. We love it. We need more of you guys out here that's interested, because we need to make sure that there's enough of people to make this worthwhile even doing, okay? So make sure you let us know. hit my email box. It's always linked in the description box of my videos, or you could email Miss Sharon. She always leaves her email in her description box as well. So contact us and let us know. Put meet and greet in the subject line bar so we'll know that that's what the email is about. Okay. Well, we're going to try to get this ball rolling on this meet and greet, and I'm so excited about it, as she is as well. Yeah. So y'all see how that's turning out? Now I'm going to let that dry for just a little. And then when it dries a little bit, we're going to put another coat of Mod Podge on, and then we're going to add the chunky glitter on there. But while that's drying, we're going to move on to this next piece and basically do the same thing. Now, the only thing different on this, we're adding the glass fillers. So you want to make sure that this has enough of that Mod Podge, kind of thick, not super thick, but enough of thick to definitely grab those glass filler pieces, because they are big and chunky. You know, they're bigger than the Mod Podge. I mean, not the Mod Podge, but they're bigger than the glitter. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put that to the side. Now, I put some of the glass fillers already in this little bowl here. And you want a big bowl too that'll catch to fall out of these pieces, because it is glass, and you know, you don't want to have it on your floor and cut yourself when you're walking. So I'm just going to pick some up with my hands. You can use gloves to do this, you know, because the little pieces do kind of get under your nails a little bit. So be careful when you're doing it, and you just kind of like just get it on there. I don't know if you guys can see it on there. See how it's sticking on there? Okay. So I'm going to give you a little close-up look of how it's looking. So that's how it looks right there. Okay. So while this side is still wet with the Mod Podge, I'm going to now go back to my extra fine glitter, and I'm going to sprinkle it. Not too heavy, but just a little, right on top of everything. Okay, so that's how I get that color in without having to paint it or do anything extra. Okay, and once I got that, I like to add the chunky on there as well. Now the chunky glitter is what gives it that pop that makes it look like the beads. Okay. And I just pat everything down like I said before. And then we're going to do the other side. You see how pretty that's looking already, girl? Oh my gosh, look at that. You see that already? Okay, and it's not even dry yet. So we're going to turn it around to the other side, and you just finish up the same way, okay? All right, back to this candle holder. While it has dried, we're going to add another coat of Mod Podge lightly on here, because we're going to add our chunky glitter to this. And I have this part here. Now we're going to connect them together using our hot glue and our permanent glue. So I can squeeze this out. Alright, and so I'm going to add hot glue for a quick coat. Oh, girl, what was you thinking? Actually better if you turn it upside down, I think, and do this. So let's turn it upside down. this way we can make sure it's on there evenly. All right, lovelies. So this is the reveal of our glamorous Bella Dupe tea light candle holders from ZGallerie. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely elegant, absolutely affordable. On this channel, I love doing affordable and very unique DIYs, and this one is definitely one for the books in the glam book. This one is definitely for the glam lovers. So if you did love it, whether you're a glam girl or not, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until next time, you guys, be blessed. I love you, and stay tuned because I'm going to share with you how it looks with the candles lit in the inside of them. So okay, you guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.